Yan, maraming salamat sa mga katrabaho, obviously, Kurgana, Bahay. Gusto nyo kayo sa party, maraming salamat po sa pagkita, sa party. Via all the first birthday party Kira, McDonald's, Balacan. Also, thank you for choosing McDonald's. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, sama-sama. Sino ba nanalo? Sino ba? First game pala, may bagong play. Sino ba nanalo? Okay, so, bago ko po i-announce yung winner, kailangan po on 10 seconds muna ng gamit mo nasa floor. Go! 6, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Video ba yan? Wala nga yan. Ismail ako ng video ba yan? Siyempre sabi ko walang flash na ako dito. Hi! Flying kiss!
Marsok na yun Pagod na?
Yan mo pa, please. 1-year warranty. Yan, okay na po. Meron isang kayo sumaya, syempre. Okay, kids. Okay, isang malakas sa palakpakan muna po para sa kanila. Propaganda lang. Sasayaw po ha, sasayaw. With facial expression. Ready? Come on. Kailangan po sumasayaw ha. Ready? Palakpakan po natin sila. 1, 2, 3, go! Panalo na ba? Ayan, okay, palakpakan pa din silang lahat. Saan na po yung lobo sa second player? Okay, ganda lang po kabili. Ganda lang po kadali. Pabilisan lang po yan. Number 2. Ayan, okay. Opo, ganda lang po siya madali. Pabilisan po yan mamaya ah. Spell po yung sexy letter O. Ayan, number 3. Green. Same instruction, go in front, go around the chair, stop in the middle, and spell letter W. Yan, okay, number 4. Ayan, okay. Taas po natin yung logo as if you won the basketball game. Ay, sorry. Whatever. Okay. Okay, taas po natin yung logo. Taas po natin. Ayan, spell po yung isang matigas. Spell po yung isang matigas, tuldok paharap. Sige po. Isang madali kong para. Go!
Hindi niya alam yun eh.
Paano ba, sir? Isang madali ang yun po. Go! Igas ha. Ayan, okay. So, pass ko dun sa last player. Last player, it's your turn. Okay. Since na-spell na po nila yung WOW. Okay. Since na-spell na po nila yung WOW, dahil kasi tinawag na all that game. Okay. Sabi tayo doon. I-spell up natin from the top. Okay? So, W. Okay, W. O. W. Okay, this time, tatlong sunod-sunod na tayo sa harap. Go! 1, 2, and 3. Tatlong paharap. Ready?
Demure na si Hernani.
Okay, ganun po. Pag-spell nyo na pag-www.band. O, tatlong dot. Sir. Tatlong dot. Ayan. Okay, pag-spell nyo na po. Okay. Switch kayo nga. Switch kayo. Naka-brace si Sir dito. Ayan. Sige, ganda na lang po. Number 1 na yan. Ayan. Okay. Okay po, pag pumunta na po yung lobo, kunin sa akin yung mic, sabihin, happy birthday to you. That means winner na kayo. Okay? Ganun lang po Huwag po kakalimutan kumate ng happy birthday to you. Back the group. And, ready!
Dapat talaga price yan,
Opo, tumataginting po na 2 days and 3 nights, McDonald's pa lang siya. Packed lunch. Ayan, okay. So, ready? Talaga na kumasi. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 pa lang po. 1, 2, 3, go! Ayan, okay. So, 1 point pa lang kayo for may patay next game, okay? So, ito madali lang to. It's a quick game. Okay? Divide it into 5. 5 po. 5, 5, 20. Hi, Mami. Ayan. Teammate, please get it. Okay, thank you so much. Ayan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy
If you have some calls, family, would like to make a happy birthday. They have many more birthdays to come, and one is very difficult, so once I give a big show. Pag may birthday, mom's wish and dad's wish. Kahit po meaning of 200 words.
Okay.
I wish you have a big and bright future.
Same.
Okay, so on the count of 3 cakes, pwede na yung blow ni PLL Candle. So let's count. 1, 2, and 3.
No!
Ayan, okay. Pero sa kanong participant.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Shining all summer, I ain't no beginner, you scared to take it to the edge. Yeah, yeah. Don't think about it, be about it, don't be scared to take it to the edge. Now you found it, I tell you, everybody take it to the
Ayan, palakpakan lang pa ni si Birdie.